Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S World. So today I've come to Dalton Park to have a look and do some shopping. So let's go inside, let's take a look at Dalton Park. You've got the hill just up there, you can see there's people up there having a good time. You've got Range, you've got Morrison's just right next door to each other. You've got McDonald's, Cineworld. There's plenty of things here, and you got plenty of parking spaces as well to park your car. We go inside Cadbury shop where they sell lots of chocolates. So let's go inside, let's take a look. First of all, you've got different kind of variety of chocolates here. Look at these, they come in a pack. There's your prices, £3.49. And these ones, yeah, £8.99 for these. Oh wow, look at these. Here you got an offer, 2 for £20, and they're quite a big chocolate. Look at these. You've moved this to the sides as well. You got plenty more chocolates here. Misshapes. Got some teddy bears here. Look at these. That's fantastic. This is a really good shop. Whenever I come to Dalton Park, I tend to come to this shop. I always come to this shop to get some chocolates, to do a bit of shopping. There's plenty to choose from. Look at these, you've got Freddo, 12 inside. These, which is £2.99. You've got a bit of a mini mix here. Look at these. Yeah, lots to choose from, guys, lots to choose from. Plenty of options. Oh, I like these mini eggs, they're my favourite. You got some soft nuggets, chocolate, orange and caramel, delights, 5 bars in that. You got nice, delicious cookies here, crunchy melts, chocolate cookies, beautiful. You can get a small packet ones as well, which is £1.29. You got chocolate sandwiches as well. Oh, wow, they look nice. This will be nice with a cup of tea. If you come this side, you got some hot chocolates here. And you get some cranberry cups here as well. Look at these. You get 3 cups in. You get some 3 cups in these. Good. These are £1.49, and the hot chocolate is £3.50. And they also do drinks here, so you got different kind of drinks there. And you come to this side, you got some nice more chocolates and more sweets as well. You got teddy bears on top of that. You got cream egg mugs are here as well. Look at these cream egg mugs. Right then guys, look at these. So you get chocolates here with all the different kind of names on. Look at these, every single chocolate with your name on. And look at these, you got this side as well, best mum, best brother, happy birthdays. And if you look this side, you got some more here. Let's celebrate the boss. Look at these, it's fantastic. How amazing. It's fantastic. Right, so we Cadbury shop there. Basically this side you got kids swings here as well, so you can bring your kids here and enjoy yourself. They'll have a good time here. If you just have a look here as well, look at these, plenty to do here. You've got some more on this side as well, so it'll be a good fun for the kids. Yeah, I mean, it's a rainy day today, guys. It's a rainy day today. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's having a fantastic Monday, Easter Monday. Next I got a sale on there. Yeah, you got your Cineworld here as well. You got different kind of restaurants as well here. You got KFC just down the bottom there. And yeah. You got your car park just there. You got Morrison's there as well. Yeah, here guys, you know, in Dalton Park, basically there's different kind of variety shops. There's just like a little shopping centre here. Look at this side. We've got different kind of cases for your phones here. Look at these different kind of variety of cases here. and with different colours as well. It's amazing. Glass screen protectors as well. You come to this side as well. Got a bit more here. Right then, guys, we're just making our way inside next. Made it to next here. Just have a look what they're selling, seeing just to see if they've got any sales on. So have a look here, this side. And here basically you got different kind of clothing for you, males, females, kids. You come this side, you got some clearance offers on here, guys. Look at these. There's all these sales here, different kind of colours as well. You got jackets here on sale as well. More jackets up there. And this side, you come this side, you got jumpers here. Look at these. Plenty to choose from. Here you got your trousers here as well. You got some shirts here, guys. It's an offer. Look at these. Plenty to choose from. Some perfumes here as well. Look at these. Got some more here. You got some testers here. So you can test your, so you got a tester there. You can test your perfume. Got some more here this side. Oh, look at this. So what do we have here? Drop your empty plastic bottles here. Oh wow. Look at this. How good. Right then, guys, you got some sales on here in this purse shop here. Look at these. Special offers on here with the shoes as well. These guys got different kind of shoes for ladies. Optionally got purses here. Different kind of purses. Look at these. On this side. This here you got Adidas shop here. You got a sale in that as well. Adidas. This is the centre of the Dalton Park here. If you look at this side, guys, that's your car park down that side, and there's your Adidas shop this side. Right then, guys, let's go in Adidas. So here we are, guys, we're in Adidas here. Look at these. You got some special offers on here with jumpers which are £24. For these jumpers there. Got this as well. There's a variety of things to choose from here. Look, you got tracksuit bottoms here as well. Everything related to Adidas, and then you get your football shirts here as well. Got some footballs here. And this aisle is full of trainers' shoes here. Plenty to choose from. Got some slippers here, Adidas ones. Some sale tops as well. Tracksuit bottoms. It's just everywhere is sale. Plenty of sales everywhere in Dalton Park today. Right, guys, we've got a Lindt shop there with a chocolate shop. Lindt. Right then, guys, I must say today has been fantastic. There's plenty of sales on in Dalton Park today, so I would recommend coming down. It should be not missed. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.